Hello friends, today we are going to see implementation of switch case in Python. So this switch case feature is available in C and C++. Where this switch case is used whenever you want to check multiple conditions, and based on the multiple conditions you want output. At that time we use switch case in C and C++. So this feature was not available in Python. So from Python 3.10 version, this feature is newly launched in the Python. So to implement this switch case statement in Python, we don't have switch keyword in Python. We have match keyword in Python. So we can say that we are implementing match case in Python. So before implementing this switch case in Python, we will see how to implement the same thing using if else elif ladder, or if we can say if elif ladder. So first we will see how to implement using if elif ladder. So now for example I am taking city code from user. So I am using here input function, and here I am giving prompt message to user, enter city code. So now user will enter the city code. Now whatever the city code entered, I am converting into uppercase using uppercase function on the string. So this is upper function in Python. So using this, I am whatever city code I am getting, I am converting into uppercase. Now I will check here multiple conditions. Now first is if. So first I am checking if city code equality operator is equal to capital D, then print this is Delhi. Next I am checking. Now next condition I want to check, so I need to use if city code M, capital M I have taken, print this is Mumbai. Now next condition I am checking, city code capital P, print this is Pune. Next condition I am checking elif city code equality operator, then capital B, then print this is Bengaluru. Now how this will work, if city code, first city code will get checked. If city code is D, then this statement will executed. If city code is M, then this statement will get executed. So multiple conditions are getting checked here. So wherever condition is satisfied, that code will get executed. Now if all conditions are failed, then there should be one default block should get executed, that is else. So we will give here wrong code. Okay, now in this way we have implemented this multiple condition checking using if elif ladder. This is called if elif ladder. So now we will check our output. Now if I am giving here D, so now this is giving me, this is Delhi. Now if I run it again, if I give here small p, it is giving me this is P. Next I am running, I will give here X. X code is not available in our program, so it is giving wrong code. So in this way you can implement this using if elif ladder. Now we will implement same thing using switch case, or we can call in Python that is match case. So for this I will create one new file. I will give that this file name as test1.py. Now we are going to implement the same thing. So here match case we are going to implement. Switch case in Python is called match case because match is the keyword used. Match and case, these two keywords are used in implementation of switch case. So first I am taking city code from user. Now once I got, I am converting into upper. Now here we are going to implement match case. So for that we have to use match keyword, match, then city code, for which variable we want to match, that variable you have to use city code, that is our city code. Now we are going to take multiple cases here. So you have to use case keyword. Then first case is capital D. So if my city code is D, so here I will print here Delhi. Now next case is capital M. So if code is capital M, this is Mumbai. Next case is capital P. Print, this is Pune. Next case is capital B. This is Bengaluru. And now we want to add here default case. If code is not DMPB, so there should be one default case should get executed. So how to implement that? Case default. See, here I have taken default as a, we can say you can take any name. So I have taken here default. I want to implement default case. So because of that I am taking here default, but you can take any name. So but if I use here default, it is more readable, that's why I am taking default. So print wrong code entered. Okay, so now in this way we have whatever we have implemented here using if elif ladder, the same thing we have implemented using match case statement in Python. Okay, so I will run this code. Now I am entering here M, so it is giving Mumbai. Now I will run again and I will get here B. Now it is giving city is Bengaluru. Now next I am again running, and if I am giving here Z, so I am getting wrong code entered. So in this way you can implement switch case in Python using match and case keyword. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.